What happened now, man?
I need everything, bro. I need a new car. I need a new engine. I need everything, bro. Fuck the car game, bro.
Fuck the car game, dog. Oh! Is that thing? Oh, shit.
I think it's because it's cold, you know, it's the morning. I haven't
Nah, dog. No.
I don't know, man.
No, it's not. It's because you're missing oil. I'm probably missing oil, too. I haven't checked that shit either. Wait, oh yeah. Come on, bro. Keep testing your luck, man. Jesus is gonna take the wheel, dog.
He already has the wheel. He's just kind of driving me around.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul and my cousin Angel. We're gonna go to O'Reilly's right now. He's gonna go get some lug nuts because I guess they came off and he lost them. And we're also gonna get some paint for the RSX. My fucking shit looks like a... How do you explain it, man?
It's mixed match.
It's mixed match. And it's just annoying, bro, driving around like that, and it's like, fuck. So, yeah, we're just gonna be painting the fenders for today because I feel like that's the easiest part. Later on, we'll get into the doors. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're just gonna make a quick run to O'Reilly's, get some stuff because he got work and I got a haircut appointment for today. Haven't had a haircut since like Thanksgiving. Alrighty, y'all, we got the paint, we got the clear coat. I'm about to dip, go to my haircut appointment real quick. Angel's gonna go to work. He's gonna put the lug nuts real quick. I'm gonna be painting the fender by myself.
Alright.
RG, I'll catch you later, man. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It is actually 2 days later because I like to procrastinate. But yeah, we out here. Angel's trying to work on his headlights, his headlight bulb. But yeah, we're gonna start sanding down this fender right here. Later on, we'll go to that one, the one that's already on the car that I haven't painted. But yeah, we're gonna start by taking off this panel, the little bracket right here, and we're gonna start sanding it down.
There we go.
Dang, man, this is gonna take a while.
Hey, there's so many connections. Oh, what the heck?
What?
What is this?
What?
You find out.
What?
I don't know, this doesn't look connected at all.
My boy. Bro, honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna use some random sandpaper and then smooth it out.
Pia on the track, she give me back. Tatted on the back, I'm tatted on her neck. You can't call it back. Shawty wanna live, shawty wanna live, shawty wanna roll, shawty wanna get, shawty wanna pop, shawty wanna live.
Alright, y'all, so we got done with the first grit sandpaper. I'm gonna take out the other fender, start sanding that one with the same grit, and then move on to like a smoother sandpaper, and then we're gonna start primering and painting and all that good stuff.
Burnt HID bulb. I didn't even know they're HID.
Hey, your car looks sick like that.
It looks like we got shot in the eye.
Switch up like I chain hole. Got a lot of the hole, got a lot of cold, got a body low. Nigga overdose. Yeah, my swag so clean. Bad bitch just on me. Ooh, bad bitch 104. Yeah, TMZ. Gucci coat tip. I spin it here. Shawty got it big. Shawty wanna live. Fuck the end.
So the reason why I'm switching out this one is because the bottom bracket is actually broken. I don't know how that broke, but yeah, when I'm driving like really fast, like on the freeway, it'll just pop off. It'll be like that. I think you can see it. Yeah, can't even put a bolt right there. But yeah, I'm just gonna take off this one too. Yo, it looks crazy without the fender. So we just came back from the auto parts store. My boy got his headlight bulb.
Yep.
How much was the bulb?
$100. 108 with tax.
So we're gonna continue sanding. I already took off the fenders. We're gonna be taking off all this surface rust. Looks like it's getting rusty. It's been on there for like over a year. So yeah, this guy, he already switched out his headlight. It works now. Sheesh.
Do they look the same or just?
Yeah, they do. They actually look the same for real. Turns out I didn't buy any primer. I thought I did, but I only got the clear coat and the white paint. But I think I'm gonna go buy that right now. And since it's getting dark, I think I'm just gonna resume the vlog tomorrow. Right? You think it'll be better?
Probably.
My boy Angel's gonna be off today. I mean tomorrow too. So yeah, we're just gonna continue the vlog tomorrow, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so it's the next day. We out here. We're about to start painting. We just picked up the primer. Got my boy Angel here.
It's day 4.
Day 4. Yeah, this is already sanded down, wiped down. You know, it's not gonna be perfect, but I mean, the rest of my car is not perfect, so it's all good, you know. Just wanted to paint match it.
Yeah, shaky. Spray it on here just to make sure it comes out good. It got it all in your face.
No, I didn't get my face. I got on my finger.
Alright, attempt number 2 on trying it out. Okay, it looks good.
It didn't get on the camera lens, right?
No.
It's all ready for the white paint. We're just letting it dry and wait for like maybe like 10 minutes. It's coming out pretty good. This one's not blue anymore. Yeah, man.
We're professional.
So I'm gonna start on the white paint, see how this goes.
Oh, make sure you wear a mask too. You don't want to be like this guy right here. I'll start on the second coat.
Damn.
Coming out pretty nice. Alright guys, finish this one. On to the second one. And yes, I'm standing on a chair. I'm pretty short. It did come out nice though. Not too bad. We ended up doing like, how many coats? Like 5 coats and then some little touch-ups.
Oh. Bro. Alright, so we're basically done with this one. Like I said, we're not professionals. Like, it actually came out pretty good. We put some clear coat on it. Probably doesn't, like, you can't notice that we put on clear coat, but yeah, that's how it looks. We just need to put clear coat on that one, and we should be able to install them, and yeah. Alright guys, so we're back outside. We're gonna put on the fenders. My boy out here, he's gonna start working on his studs, his wheel studs. Dang, check out that rub right there. Fuck. All bad. Dang, this is a fresh ass wheel. Look at this. Got some new tires. I don't think I vlogged that when I got some new tires, but let's go. So one thing that you guys may not have known, my car has actually been in a collision. So it's been in a collision. It's not salvage title. Whoever got in a car crash with it never like reported it to the insurance or whatever. I'm guessing they just like repaired it, did a shitty job repairing it. But yeah guys, this is how it looks like. I mean, it doesn't really affect anything else, you know, but yeah, it looks pretty ugly right here. Look at that. It's all bad. But yeah, let's put the fenders back on.
Oh wait, that's pulling. Hold on. So I broke these 3 off. Just take it off.
Alright, y'all. So this is this side. I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference. This one looks way cleaner. It's all good. Like this far away, you can't even notice anything. Alright guys, so the fenders are on. This fender is finally white. I think this one looks way better actually. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Hey, it don't not look bad. Oh my gosh. I would have, next up is that lip for sure. Thinking about painting the door too, even though it's like perfect paint. It's looking nice, honestly. It's kind of a different white, but I mean, that'll do. It's better than a, you know, a gray fender. My boy got his new studs in. Angel's starting his own vlog. I'll let you guys know when he got the video in. I'll link the video in the description if it's up, if it's uploaded by then. But
we'll see how it goes. You know, you gotta do some editing. First time, I don't know.
Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. More vlogs coming soon, hopefully.
Yes.
You know how that goes. But yeah guys, hope you guys liked the video. I'm trying to vlog more. But yeah guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.